Rationalize the denominator in the expression the square root of 2a over 5b. And we're given 4 choices here for the expression with the denominator rationalized. Now, I want to multiply under the radical sign by 1 in a form that will give me a perfect square in the denominator. I see that I have a factor of 5 and a factor of b, so if I had one more factor of 5 and one more factor of b, I would have a perfect square in the denominator. So that tells us that we should multiply by 1 in the form 5b over 5b. Now, doing the multiplications, in the numerator I have 10ab, and in the denominator I have 25b squared. I can write this as the square root of 10ab over the square root of 25b squared. I don't have any perfect square factors in the numerator, so the numerator remains the square root of 10ab. And in the denominator, the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of b squared is b. So I have the expression in the form the square root of 10ab over 5b. And when we look back, we see that that is the first choice that we were given. So A is the correct answer.